Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tiffany, and here on my channel I do all kinds of decor, lifestyle, cleaning, you name it, I do it. So today, as you can see, we are decorating my living room for Christmas. If you guys haven't seen my first video of me decorating for this season, I did decorate my kitchen and my dining room in a gingerbread theme, so we are moving on to the living room. So I am going with a classic red and white theme, candy cane, peppermint kind of style. So let's just go ahead and get right on into it. So a lot of these picks and ornaments are from either Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, Dollar Tree, 99-cent store. I've been collecting this stuff for years and years. These ornaments specifically are from the 99-cent store. I got them probably 4 years ago, but if you guys want to know where anything specifically is from, just leave me a comment down below and I can let you guys know. So as you guys can see, my tree is a 7.5 foot flocked white tree. I did get it from Walmart last year. It was around $169. So if you guys are interested, I will link it down below if they still have it available. All right, without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys get started. I'll pop in here and there, but I hope you guys enjoy. Now excuse my tree, I'm not sure why the camera wouldn't pick it up. It looks like it's either twinkling or there's like little rings of non-lit branches, but it's all lit. My camera just did not want to pick it up. I tried multiple settings, but don't worry, it is a fully lit tree. There is no patches or dark spots. I just wanted to mention that. I have noticed that in other videos that the trees sometimes do that. I'm not sure what it is about the filming, or maybe it's a setting, but I do apologize. Alright, as you can see, my daughter decided to come in. She is putting those little lollipops in my tree. I did make those last year. It is in my gingerbread DIY video. If you guys want to go check it out, I will link it down below. But she always likes to come in and add the fancy ornaments, as she calls it. So she likes to come in and do the final touches. So that is what we're doing here. This tree did take about 2 hours to complete. We do put a lot of ornaments on there. Some people like a more simplistic, but I really like a full and decorated tree. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, da, da. Now surprisingly, I found most of these picks at the 99-cent store, either last year or the year before that. They have such great choice and super duper cheap, and it comes in a bunch of bunches, like it comes in like 2 or 3 pieces per bunch, so it was a super good deal.
Yeah, spend my time running around, keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
So here's what my tree looks like fully decorated. I absolutely love how it comes out. I think red and white looks so pretty together. It really pops against the white flock tree. So we are going to move on to the living room. So I got those peppermint pillows from Michael's this year. If you guys haven't checked out my Christmas 2021 haul, you can see all the new stuff that I got. A lot of the stuff that I did get was gingerbread, so most of the stuff is from previous years. Like that red and white blanket is from Hobby Lobby, and that plaid blanket is from Home Goods. I got that last year, and that red sparkle pillow cover is from Amazon.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles.
Those pillows right there I'm going to stick underneath my tree just to make it look more full. They are from Amazon. They're just simple pillow covers. I got this peppermint table runner from Hobby Lobby a couple years back. I've got 2 of them.
Play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times.
Now I just made this arrangement myself using one of my old jars and of course a Bath & Body Works candle. I am waiting for the candles to go on sale so I can get some more holiday candles this year. That Merry and Bright sign is from Hobby Lobby. I believe I got it 2 or 3 years ago, as well as this peppermint nutcracker, also from Hobby Lobby.
Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Now this tree skirt, I believe I got from eBay. I got this 4 or 5 years ago, so it's been a long time. I can't link that, I apologize, but it's super simple. It's just a felt tree skirt with a glitter Merry Christmas underneath. Here are those pillows that I was talking about. I'm gonna stick it on either sides of the tree, and then I'm gonna fill up these little white lanterns that I got from IKEA with some ornaments and also place them on either side of the tree just for an added touch. I thought it was super pretty. If I had some string lights, I would have put some in there, but this still does look good with just the ornaments.
To see you again, baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire chill.
That Noel sign I did make last year. It is a DIY. It is on my channel if you guys want to check it out. So now we're just going to hang this candy cane garland I got from Hobby Lobby this year around my little TV stand here, and I'm going to attach my stockings. They are not going to stay here. They're kind of just for decoration. So on Christmas Day, if they're full, we will probably have to put them on the floor. This isn't going to hold anything. It's just to, you know, kind of secure them there for now. Now all of this shelf decor is from Hobby Lobby or Home Goods or Ross. Like those trees are from Ross. That joy sign is from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. The red glitter sign was from Hobby Lobby. These reindeers were from Walmart. That little red jar is from 99-cent store. The white reindeers from 99-cent store as well. The 99-cent store had a lot of really cute stuff the previous years. I have not checked them this year because I really don't need any more for my main tree or my main living room. I kind of have too much already. But definitely check out the 99-cent store. They have super cute stuff. Alright, my shelves are all decorated. Unfortunately, my tree does kind of cover this shelving unit, but I did still put some decor on it. You can kind of see it from the side. I didn't want to take the shelves off just for Christmas, so I left it as is. I still think it looks really pretty, and the tree is like a real focal point in my living room. I really love how I put it this year. Last year I put it in the corner of the room, so it was a little bit different, but it looks so pretty here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed decorating my living room with me. I still need to decorate my entryway. We do like a Santa themed tree. It did take me quite a few hours to do this, so I am going to do that in a separate video. But I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions of where anything is from, let me know in the comments down below and I'll let you know. But if you guys haven't checked out my other Decorate With Me, where I decorate my kitchen and my dining room, please go check it out. Especially if you are a gingerbread lover, you will love that video. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.